This recording is to help you heal from any physical ailment or ailments that might be troubling you. At the root of most physical disturbances are a mental issue or experience that has not been resolved. We are going to get to the root of this disturbance through this process. Close your eyes now, take an easy, gentle breath, and allow yourself to relax. There's nothing you need to do except relax and listen to the sound of my voice. I'm going to count down from 10 to 1, and when I arrive at 1, you will be in a totally relaxed, peaceful state. You will become more relaxed with every number that I count. 10, 9, 8, more and more relaxed. 7, 6, 5, feeling more relaxed with every breath that you take. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm now going to have you relax different areas of your body so that you can be in an even more relaxed state of mind. Relax your scalp. Relax the entire top of your head. Allow this relaxation to spread to the back of your head, to your temples and forehead. Let this relaxation flow over your eyes and eyelids. Allow this relaxation to flow over your face and jaw and down to your neck and throat. Relax your deltoids and shoulders now. Allow this relaxation to flow down your arms all the way to your fingertips. Relax your chest outside and inside. Let your entire back relax now. Relax your stomach and let this relaxation spread and go down your hips, down your thighs, down your knees, down your calves, becoming more and more relaxed. Relax your ankles and feet all the way down to your toes. Relax your entire body now. I'm now going to count down from 3 to 1, and when I arrive at 1, you will transport yourself to a peaceful, pleasant place of your choosing. This could be a real place, an imaginary one, whatever is most pleasant for you. 3, 2, 1, go there now. I'm now going to count down from 3 to 1 again, and when I arrive at 1, it will be as if you have spent 1 hour in this place and at this level of mind. 3, 2, 1. Good. See yourself now as youthful, healthy, radiant, and attractive. Every time you show yourself this image, your own self-image improves and you become more youthful, healthy, radiant, and attractive. Repeat to yourself now the following phrase. Every day and every way, I am getting better and better and better. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better and better. And you are getting better and better now, every day and in every way. I am now going to count down from 10 to 1, and when I arrive at 1, you will be at an even deeper, healthier level of mind. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are now going to do a process to help you heal. In a moment, I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to allow yourself to see whoever or whatever emerges. Don't judge the answer, simply allow it to emerge. The question I am asking now is, what is the cause of this physical problem? What is the cause of this physical problem? Now see yourself forgiving this person or situation in whatever way is best for you. If it is a person, you can see yourself holding them in light, shaking the other person's hand, giving this person a hug. Do what is best and feels right for you. If it is a situation, see yourself responding the way you would have liked to have responded. Take your time with this and do it now. I am now going to give you a positive suggestion that will be taken over by your subconscious and will begin manifesting in your life. Say to yourself the following phrase: I will always maintain a perfectly healthy mind and body. I will always maintain a perfectly healthy mind and body. And you will always maintain a perfectly healthy mind and body. See yourself again as youthful, radiant, healthy, and attractive. In a moment, I'm going to count upwards from 1 to 5, and when I arrive at 5, you will awaken from this state feeling strong, healthy, full of life, totally refreshed, as if you have slept the perfect number of hours for you. 1, 2, 3. When I arrive at 5, you will awaken from this state, feeling strong, healthy, full of life, totally refreshed, with a smile on your face, feeling better than before. 4, 5. Wide awake, feeling strong, healthy, full of life, totally refreshed with a smile on your face, feeling better than before.